Hello, we're going to be installing some steps for the Silverado. Here's the box opened. We're going to go ahead and take everything out. Here I have everything laid out. The nuts, the bolts, the washers, the hooks, and here's the step. This one is the passenger. Another look at the hooks that are going to be attached to the running boards, and here are the instructions. So on the running board underneath, there's a thick and skinnier side. The skinny side is going to go against the truck. Here we have the hook, how we're going to place it, as you can see. So we're going to use a 13 millimeter. We're just going to loosen up all the bolts just to make it easier. And we're going to do this same process on the other set as well. So once they're all loose, we're just going to go ahead and start with the first one. You just simply remove it. Once it's removed, we're going to go ahead and put the hook on. You're going to lay it on top. And you're going to put the bolt back into place. Pretty straightforward. Once that's in, here we are with the other one. I'm not tightening them all the way. I'm kind of leaving them slightly loose just so I can slide them and adjust them. Here's an example. And here they are installed. For the Silverado, for this version, we're just using 3. Now we're going to do the same thing on the driver's step. So once that's completed, it's the same process. Here I have shown 4. So once you're installing, it's pretty straightforward. You're just going to remove the bolts that are already on the truck. Put the running board, and you're just going to screw it. I'm doing it with my hand at first. And then after it's tightened to my hand, I can let go and use the wrench to tighten it. And then we're just gonna proceed the same process 3 times. And then once that's done, we're gonna do the other side as well. And we're just tightening it. And we're doing the other side. Same process. Remove the bolt, place the running board with the hook, tighten it with your hand, then use the wrench to tighten it fully. And it should lock in place. And then from the bottom that we did earlier, now with the adjustments, we can finally tighten it. And that's pretty much it. Super simple. Here's another look. Really easy to install. Here we have a weight. My cousin is 195 pounds. So this is a good example of the weight. Here's another look at the driver's side. Looks real good. Here's the passenger side. Real easy to install, and they look great as well. And here's the final look.